championship this past Monday on Raw. The #1 contender, Dean Ambrose, wanted to let the champion Kevin Owens know exactly what he thinks of
Gotcha.
his champion.
Oh, you got him, you got him.
I know, but he'll find a way out from up here. Oh, see?
Up.
Oh, he had to go over there. Time to get it on. Okay, come on over. Hurry. Here, Birdie. Here, Birdie.
Where are you?
There we go. Oh, get it out. Oh!
There he is.
You're not helping. Hurry up.
Okay,
Hurry up and get a picture so I can get him.
I'm videotaping it.
Oh. Watch out.
Okay, careful. Got him.
No, he went out again. Watch out. You're going to have to stay out of my way.
Sorry.
Okay.
Got him.
Yeah, I'm going to give him against something. Okay. This is what we're going to do this time. It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Got him. Now don't come back in, okay? We love you. We want you to fly free. All right? Here you go. Ready? Go. There you go. All right.
Wow.
Right back here.
Now that was I call a bird situation.
Coming?
Yeah.